Hi everybody, this is Laura, City Scrapper. Thank you so much for joining me on my channel. Today I have an unboxing of the December My Creative Scrapbook Limited Edition kit. This kit is just jam-packed with lots of beautiful scrapbooking products that are Christmas themed. I can't wait to show you. I'm going to start off with the papers and then I'll show you all of the other elements from the kit. First, I wanted to show you these papers by Memory Place. I love this paper. I love the music notes in the background. I love this text here. And then I love the touches of Christmas images. The Santa Claus, there's a bow, and there's also some poinsettias over here. I think this would be great for a background. And then the other side would be great for a background too. We have this beautiful antique looking background with lots of white splatters that look like snow to me. We have the text in the background and this pretty wreath and some cookies. Here's another beautiful paper. I feel pretty certain I'm going to be using this for one of my backgrounds, again with the music notes in the background and then the text on either side. And then on this side, we have lots of vintage looking Christmas images. There's Santa, there's this little reindeer, and lots of others. We also received some Prima papers. Here are some 3x4-inch cut-aparts. Lots of Santa Clauses in this collection, and a really pretty color scheme. On the other side, we have this pink and green stripe, and I love the little sparkles mixed in. Here are some gingerbread. I love the way they have these candy canes that are making a heart, and there are lots of banners. It's just a really cute page. On the other side, we have this neutral, the kind of tannish color with the white dots, and I think these papers are so important for balancing out layouts. Here's another super pretty image of a tree. I love this silvery color. There is a lot of pink, and then there are some reindeer and some angels. On the other side of that page, we have a pretty blue, kind of neutral paper. Here we have a cut-apart sheet. We can see, again, lots of images of Santa Claus, along with some other vintage-looking elements. And then on the other side, we have this pretty dot and flower print. This is just so pretty. I love the Santa with the banner, the ballerina, the little skier over here with lots of flowers. And I just love this area. I think this would be a great place to put a photo. On the other side, we have lots of stars. There are two of this paper, which is great because it's a whole page of tags that you could cut out with, again, lots of images of Santa Claus. We have this pretty lady, the ballerina, a child, lots of great tags to use on your pages. And then on the back, we have this print that has the deer and Santa's sleigh. There are also two of this beautiful paper. Again, this paper has some beautiful vintage images. I love the florals on this page, a banner. There's a doily over here, super pretty. And then on the B side, we have all of these flowers and Christmas trees with the sheet music in the background. So those are all the papers that we received. There's lots more to show you though. We got this stencil. I think this plaid stencil is perfect for Christmas. I love stencils and I don't have a plaid stencil, so I was really happy to see this one. We also received some letters. I was so happy to see that there were some letters. I love these gold letters, perfect for the season. And it looks like there are numbers as well, so that's great for recording the year. We also received a number of doilies. There are a few of them here. Love using doilies on layouts. And then we got this beautiful white ribbon. So pretty. Perfect for making a big Christmas bow on one of the layouts. I love elements like this in the kit. We also received a whole bunch of 3x4-inch journaling cards. So I'm just going to quickly flip through them. We have Merry Christmas. There's this pretty angel. Here's another angel. A Christmas tree and a wreath. There's Santa on the nice list. Christmas chimes. Here we have some different kinds of pins. That's a nice vintage image as well. There's Santa. Some candles, some fancy candles. There's that same Christmas tree that we saw earlier with the angels. Here is a really pretty snowflake pattern. There's another angel. Here we have a little deer with a wreath. There's another image of an angel. And then finally we have this, looks like a vintage ad for Christmas ornaments. And then on the other side of all of them is this diagonal print with the pink and the blue. Guys, we are not done yet. We also have these 2 packs of ephemera. So we have one pack that has 64 pieces, one that has 58 pieces. I'm going to take them out of the packaging to show you. It's really hard to see exactly what's in here. They do have an image on the back of everything that's in this pack. And then that's everything that's in this pack. But I always like to take them out of the packages to show you what's in there. This is the first of 2 packs of ephemera. This one has 58 pieces, and it looks like there are 2 of each of the images. I'm going to start over here. Here's a layering piece or a little journaling card. We have lots of tags, so a ballerina, some with Santa on them. Here's another ballerina. Here's this child on skis. Here's Santa on the telephone. We have some sentiments, Winter Wonderland, Oh Christmas Tree, Christmas Cheer, Magical Christmas. Here's this cute little gingerbread man, super cute. Then we have the number 25 twice. I think that's super handy to have. And then we have this child with a Christmas tree. There are lots of stars. Some of them have a pattern to them and a couple of them are solids. Here is Santa's image inside a snow globe. We have a couple of little layering pieces or ephemera pieces. Here we have a ticket. Here's this little sentiment that says a sleigh ride, and then we have this large bingo card over here. So we have lots of things to use on our pages. However, there's still another ephemera pack, and I will show you that right now. Here is the second set of ephemera. This has 64 pieces, and again, there are 2 of each piece. So I'll start over here. We have Santa. Love the pink hat on Santa. Then we have these little signs, special delivery, fragile, handle with care, and glass, handle with care. I love this image. We saw this on one of the pattern papers. Here's a ticket, lots of stars again, very handy for our Christmas layouts. A little banner with a 25 on it. Here we have this envelope with a wax seal image, some Christmas trees, presents, and ice skates. Here we have a bingo card. I love this image of flowers. We have a layering piece or an ephemera piece here. There's Santa's sleigh. I love the banner on Santa's sleigh. And here are some banners. I'm a really big fan of banners, so I'm always happy to see them. We have some candy canes that make hearts here, another Santa image. Here's a sweet little angel, some sentiments that say sweet holiday, jolly, Merry Christmas, and then some very tiny pink tickets. So we are all set as far as ephemera, and I cannot wait to show you what's next. As I always mention, I really love the flowers in the limited edition kit. I couldn't believe when I got this month's kit how many packs of flowers and floral embellishments there are. There are so many, and I think that they all go together really well and also go really well with the papers. I'm going to start right here with these beautiful gold poinsettias. And I think that these are just a fantastic complement to all of the other flowers. All of the flowers have touches of gold on them, so I think that these will mix in really nice to make some really pretty clusters. Over here on the left, we have these very pretty flowers, pink and blue with the gold bead centers. And there's some glitter on the edges of all of the petals. These flowers are the same as far as having the gold on the edge of the petals and also having those beads in the center. However, these have slightly different colors, and I love the way these two packs coordinate. We have the pink, the green, and the off-white, and these are a little larger, and they're extremely layered. And then over here we have these also layered but slightly smaller flowers, and I always like when there are a variety of sizes of flowers. I think it makes creating clusters a lot easier. We have 2 of each of these flowers, and I absolutely love this addition. I've never seen anything quite like this before in one of the kits. I think these are also going to work really beautifully with everything else and make some really beautiful clusters, perfect for Christmas. So I was super, super excited to open the kit this month. There is so much in here, and I can't wait to start working. At the very end of this video, you're going to see images of all of the layouts that I created using the December kit, so I hope you'll keep watching until the very end. Thank you so much for watching this. I hope that this helped you, gave you a good idea of your kit that should be on the way. And if you are not a subscriber and you would like to know more about the kits, you can check out the My Creative Scrapbook website, and the link to that is in the description box. I hope you have a fantastic day, and I hope to see you again soon. Take care, everybody. Bye-bye.